welcome back to my channel. This is OBAAPA Kitchen. Today I am so happy to review something very important with you guys. So guys, you know, when I came back from the US, I decided to ship stuff from US to Ghana because here in Ghana stuff are a little bit costly. So I'm like, since I have a kitchen here in Ghana, my dad will cook, or you know, my family will cook. So I decided to ship stuff from the US to Ghana. So I shipped this back in October and it came just today. So it's been like 2 months right now. So I am going to finally open it. I'm going to, you know, open and show you guys what is inside. You know, normally how we all ship stuff from abroad to, you know, Africa. This is how my box is. I didn't ship like a big giant box, but this box got a lot of stuff. Okay, so we are going to open it and let you guys see what I have inside. So first, I'm gonna need a knife. So Gifty, mommy knife, why? Thank you. So I am going to start from here. Okay, this box, it takes me like 1 week to get this box together. And thanks to my friend Anna, she helped me pack everything. So Anna, if you are watching me, thank you so much. My box has finally arrived. So he packed this thing very well because it was almost. So what I'm very curious about this stuff is just I want to make sure that I have all my stuff in here. I'm not missing anything, you know. That is what I need. So this one is just a trash. This one is, wow. I can't remember when I packed this thing right here. So, you got this for me. Thank you. This is how I package it and everything. Let me just show this one here. So first, not least, I got my biscuits for the Christmas for my family because I know they love biscuits, and I got this one from Costco. So you come and take this one away from me, okay? And yeah, so that is the biscuits. And second, this is Mandi rice. Guys, you know I use this rice a lot back in the US. This is the best rice that you can eat. It has less starch, especially people with diabetes. This is your rice, okay? It's basmati rice and it's very delicious. And one bag is $9. So when I bought this one, it was on sale for $5 something. So I got 4 of them right here. So Gifty, take this one away from me. So this is 2 already. And of course, with my weight loss diet, this is the best rice for me. That is 4 of them. And when you come here, I have a kettle right here. This one from Saliva kettle. So this one is to boil some water, and this is how it looks like. So I got 2 of this, one for my sister and one for my dad. Okay, so I got 2 of this. Take this away from me. Like I said, I got 2 of them, and this is one here. Yeah, and this one too. And also, guys, I got my coffee maker because these days, in case if you have some visitors around, you know, and I know most of them like coffee, and this is the blend that I got. Okay, so yeah, so this is how it looks. I'm trying to see if I can take it out, but this is how it looks like. Little mini coffee maker. Okay, so you take this one away. And when you come here, I also bought my, okay, this one is the black plastic for oven, like a little mini oven. If you want to grill some fish, or if you want to make pizza, if you don't have the oven, this is good. So, but unfortunately, I got the stove with the oven, so probably I'll give this to my sister. Yeah, so Gifty, can you please take it away from me? And guys, you all know this, right? Elect rice cooker. I'm like, let me just get 1 of these cookers. So eventually I got 2 of these. One is for my sister and one, whoa, One is for my sister and one is for my dad. Just in case, you know, in Ghana they love rice, so they love to cook rice. So I got, you know, 2 of these. And take it away, Gifty. And like I said, I have one here for my sister as well. So I got 2 of them right here. Beautiful. Thank you. Alright, so we have a few more to go through. And also I have the blender, guys. I brought my blender. So this is Ninja blender. I have the same thing in the house. I got 2 of these. Give the baby some more. Yeah, so this is the down and this is the top. Okay, this is Ninja blender. You guys know how much I love Ninja blender. So I got 2 of these, one for my sister and one for me. Okay, right, so this is how it looks like. This is all, they are all brand new blenders. Okay, and this is the top, you know, to close it. And this is how it looks. This is my Ninja blender right here. So if you're gonna take it away, like I said, I got 2, one for my sister and one for me. Yeah, so there is the other one. Okay. So now we're gonna go back to the, oh guys, you know this, right? I got some mixture right here. This is what they used to mix with dough or flour to make some dough and stuff like that. I got this one because when I saw on Amazon it was on sale and it was very, very pretty and I love it. And for those who want to make like meat pie, you know, cake and everything, this is the best mixture for you guys, and it is very, very affordable. It came with the teats. It has like 3 of them. So that one is for my kitchen. Take that way, Gifty. Thank you. Guys, I try to buy everything new. Yeah, so this is one of the teats for the mixture. And there's another one here too. So we got 3 of them. And this one is what? This one, yeah, this one is for the oven. This one goes to the oven here. Thank you. And this right here is microwave. Okay, I got this microwave. Whoa, let me see that. Here, so so guys, I got this microwave from Walmart because it was on sale. It's new. You know, everything is new, as you can see. It got everything inside and it's not been opened yet. Yeah, so I'm going to put it in my kitchen because my dad is going to use it to warm his food or whatever he want to use it for. Thank you. Then we have all the book for instructions and everything right here. Okay, that's on the right. Alright, so now we have the pots. So this is all my cooking pots right here. So I have this one. So beautiful. I got some frying pan right here. And also, this is the little sets. I'll show you guys in a minute, okay? And this is a little frying pan also. It's a mini one. I have another cooking set for the pots. So as you can see, I have this one also. It is very, very pretty. This set is very, very gorgeous. Okay, but this one why? This one was my favorite. Got all the, I'll show you guys in a minute. Flying pan and everything in here. And this is the the big one. So it seems like everything came. So guys, that is it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. This is all the stuff that I brought back from the US. I know my kitchen is going to look very beautiful. And guys, please always make sure you bring your own stuff. I think it's very handy. It's going to be useful for you. So I hope you enjoyed it. I have my rice here. I'm so excited. So thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions, please feel free and ask. And don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, okay? I love you guys and I hope you enjoy it. Bye.